Okay, we're going to do a quick run through on creating a non-consumable report. The first thing you're going to do is go to Transactions and choose Purchase Orders. You're going to go to all supplier types here. You're going to click on Operational so that all you're looking at are the materials. Then you're going to search for a scholar by name. I will choose Elias McLeish. Make sure that you're on the All category. Then you're just going to scroll down to the bottom of the page. You're going to click on Export to CSV. You're going to come in here and you're going to deselect the Select All button. You're going to choose the following fields: the PO number, the PO name, PO status, the date issued. And we'll scroll down some more. You're going to choose the buyer, the supplier. Scroll down some more. You're going to choose total, categories. Oops, went too far. Sorry. Categories and the item name. And then you will export. Then you're going to get you're going to get a Excel document. You're going to highlight the categories file. You're going to sort it. You can just sort from A to Z. Select yes. It should sort everybody. Then you can come through here and you can just delete all your consumables. And then when you are done doing that, you will be left with non-consumables. Another one. But you get the picture, and just keep going through and deselecting your or deleting your consumables, and then you will end up with a list of non-consumables, and then you'll have it right there in front of you. And that is how you do that.